Alright, real quickly, I would just like you to type Myfun with some number less than 360 on it because it's going to do some turns, well, and there's 360 degrees in a circle, so you want to pick something less.
Once you test that a few times, check out this next bit of code.
I chose Myfun 33. Notice it's going for a long time, so what you do is you hit halt if you want to stop it. The next thing I'd like to show you is BAM. The code for BAM is going to use the cool ellipse command, which you may or may not have gotten to so far, and it needs a length, a width, a rotation, a number, and an X. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers after it. You don't have to look at this, you just need to know this. So file, save, and exit. So now if I do CS and I do BAM, remember I have to type 5 numbers after it. You can try any numbers you want. I recommend that you keep them under 360. Some numbers that makes more or less sense, but I'm going to let you test this with these numbers before you try some other numbers on your own. So that is what that first BAM looked like, but check out this one. So here for BAM I did the month I was born, the day I was born, and then I took the year, which yeah I know that was a long time ago, and I split it into some crazy set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers to see what it would make. And this is what is fun, is you can experience all kinds of other different things as you're just fiddling. Remember, if you ever make one so big that it won't quit, you can just hit halt.
Hopefully you're starting to see the value of variables and include them in your own programming.